Have you ever had to use measurement results from a CMM report in your first article inspection? You could spend hours searching for the specific measurement values, transposing those results into an FAI report, and ensuring that you haven't missed any details. It's time-consuming and can be error-prone. The Discus CMM add-on module enables you to dramatically reduce the time to incorporate those results into your FAI report, as well as greatly reduce potential transcription errors. Discus CMM allows you to take the measurement results from the CMM report and use them in the Discus Bill of Characteristics table. Discus CMM does not require any special software to be installed on your CMM computer. In Discus, you just open your text, Reported CMM Report, which gets displayed in the CMM Report panel. The standard CMM report appears with two columns appended to the left, which indicate the characteristics number associated with a specific feature axis, and an Apply checkbox to indicate that the result is being used in the Bill of Characteristics table. One of the great capabilities of the Discus CMM module is the ability to identify and preclude errors. At the top of the CMM report panel are metrics that show inconsistencies for issues between the BOC and the CMM report. These are all updated in real time. If there's a tolerance mismatched or other inconsistencies, Discus will catch this and warn us. Even more exciting are some of the advanced capabilities of the Discus CMM. For example, if the CMM programmer didn't provide any hints about the specific characteristics related to a feature, you can use the Discus CMM Suggest capability, which automatically finds likely matches for you. Ultimately, we can create the first article report inside Excel and a balloon PDF drawing. The data extraction and entry activity that used to take you hours now only takes minutes with Discus CMM.